Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by identifying ports and power. Inspect your laptop for USB-C, USB-A, or Thunderbolt, then check the external SSD type, SATA enclosure or NVMe dongle. Once done, pick the correct cable and an adapter if interfaces differ, and prepare external power if the drive needs it. You want a solid physical connection before any software steps. This prevents data errors. Make sure to have a backup of critical files, so you're ready to format or initialize without risk. You plug the SSD in and wait for the system to recognize it. This is where drivers load and the OS probes the device. On Windows, open Disk Management. On Mac OS, open Disk Utility. If the drive is new, initialize it. Choose GPT for modern systems. Create a partition, format with XFAT for cross-platform use, or apps/NTFS if specific to one OS. Once formatted, assign a drive letter or mount point so the SSD appears in your file browser and is ready for transfers. To finish, transfer files and then safely eject the SSD using the OS eject feature before unplugging to avoid corruption. If the drive isn't recognized, first try a different port or cable and ensure any external power is connected. Once you've swapped cables, update your laptop's USB/Thunderbolt drivers or the SSD enclosure firmware. If problems continue, test the SSD in another computer to isolate the issue. This helps determine whether the cable, enclosure, or drive itself needs replacement or further repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.